There's a secret ingredient in machinery bearing the Made in Italy mark that makes it unlike any other: passion. It's the passion with which Italian professionals run thousands of small and medium machine manufacturing companies. Their belief in treating customers like family results in exceptional flexibility and attention to developing solutions tailor-made to each client's needs. It's the passion that drives Italy's centuries-old heritage of ingenuity and fuels the next generation of sustainable innovation and leading technological advancements. The same passion sparks creativity and visionary thinking in design and engineering, which enable Italian companies to manufacture the right machine for the job. It's this combination of flexibility, innovation, and creativity that truly sets Italian machinery apart from the competition, across all 16 sectors that we at Machines Italia represent. Unleash the power of Machines Italia as your ultimate sourcing partner in North America. Explore our exclusive tools for finding machinery designed and crafted with the same passion you put into your products. Contact us now via email or through our website and jumpstart your journey to success today. Machines Italia.